In this video, we will discuss about the comments used in Python programming. Comments are needed because it helps us to document the functionality of the code that we are writing as part of the program. It helps us to understand the code written at a later point of time and also helps in debugging the code. For a new person who is looking into an existing code written by someone else, it helps him to understand the code quickly. Without comments, it will be difficult to understand the functionality written inside the code. The compiler considers the comments as non-executable code and skip it. Everything after the hash character is ignored till the end of the line. Type of comments. There are three types of comments that we generally use, which are single-line comments, multi-line comments, and docstring comments. Single-line comment starts with a hash character, hashtag. Everything after the hash character is ignored till the end of the line. In the example below, the comment is displayed in red color. There are two ways of declaration of the single-line comments. In the first scenario, the hash symbol is placed in the starting of the line to be commented. Or we can even add it after the code is done in the second comment. Everything after the hash character is ignored till the end of the line, considering as a comment. When executed, it will ignore the comments and prints hello world and hello as output. The second type of comments are docstring comments. It can be used for single or multi-line comments. The comments are surrounded inside either 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. It is usually the first statement included in functions to describe the functionality or purpose of the code. One important feature is that a docstrings can be accessed and printed at the runtime on the screen. This can be achieved using __doc___ method of the object, or using the help function. Third type of comments are multi-line comments. They are useful when the comment text does not fit into one line and needs to span across lines. In Python, there are no specific feature for declaring a multi-line comment. For a comment which spawns multi-line, we can comment it using two ways. First is to use the single-line comment for all the lines. Secondly, we can use the docstring comments. Docstring comments are mainly used as multi-line comments. Let's test the comments using a program. For single-line comment, we can use the hash symbol at the start of the line and then add the comment. We can add the comment after the code is done in the second line. Anything after hash is considered as a comment. For multi-line comments, as we discussed previously, that in Python there are no specific features for declaring a multi-line comment. For a comment which spawns multi-line, we can comment it using two ways. First is to use the single-line comment for all the lines, like it's done here from line 5 to line 7, which denotes that's a multi-line comment. When executed, it ignores the comments and prints the print statements. Secondly, we can use the docstring comments. Docstring comments are mainly used as multi-line comments. The docstring is defined inside the function my_function with a return type as none. The advantage of docstring is that we can print the comments with the output to make the output more meaningful. We can use function name ___doc__ method. When executed, we can see that the docstring is printed as an output. The same can be achieved using the help function by calling help with the function name as a parameter. Once executed, it also prints the comments with an extra line as help on function with the function name. These are the different ways in which we can create comments in Python.